Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're bringing you a stylish and standout addition to your wardrobe that blends elegance with comfort. The best bodysuit blouse for women dressy. This is the MIRALUNA Women's Round Neck Slimming Swiss Dots Mesh Puff Sleeve Bodysuit. A stunning piece designed for the modern, fashion-conscious woman. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the MIRALUNA bodysuit exudes sophistication with its exquisite Swiss dot bubble sleeves. These short puff sleeves are made of sheer mesh, creating a romantic and delicate look that instantly elevates any outfit. The bodysuit features a flattering round neckline and a fitted ribbed knit bodice that hugs the body just right, enhancing your natural curves. The overall design is tight-fitting yet tasteful, balancing a chic aesthetic with subtle sexiness. It's one of those rare pieces that feels both casual and dressy, perfect for a night out or an upscale day event. Now let's talk fabric. This bodysuit is made of 95% rayon and 5% spandex, a combination that gives it an ultra-soft feel with just the right amount of stretch. It's lightweight, breathable, and gentle on the skin. This fabric selection ensures comfort throughout the day while maintaining its shape and structure. Whether you're wearing it for hours or pairing it under layers, the MIRALUNA bodysuit stays smooth and flattering without clinging awkwardly or losing form. Moving on to wearability. This piece is as functional as it is beautiful. It features a snap button closure at the bottom, making it super easy to wear and remove. And because it's a bodysuit, it stays neatly tucked in. No more adjusting your blouse throughout the day. It pairs wonderfully with jeans, skirts, shorts, or tailored pants, instantly giving your outfit a more polished and put-together look. Imagine walking into brunch or a date night with this top, matched with high-waisted jeans and heels. You'll definitely turn heads. Another thing to love is its versatility. Want a soft, feminine look? Go with a light pastel or beige, as showcased here. Prefer something more dramatic? Try a darker color with statement jewelry. This bodysuit is the perfect canvas for your style experiments. You can wear it solo in the summer or layer it under a blazer or cardigan in cooler weather. Its timeless silhouette ensures it'll remain a staple in your wardrobe season after season. Lastly, care instructions are simple. The blouse is hand wash only, so be gentle with it to maintain the integrity of the mesh sleeves and the smooth knit fabric. With just a little bit of care, it'll stay beautiful and ready to impress every time you wear it. In summary, the MIRALUNA Women's Puff Sleeve Bodysuit Blouse is more than just a stylish top, it's a fashion statement. From its luxurious texture to its flawless fit and elegant puff sleeves, this bodysuit delivers both comfort and class. Whether you're heading to a party, a dinner, or just stepping out with friends, this is the piece that helps you show up with confidence and charm. That's it for today's product critique. If you're looking for a bodysuit that flatters, fits, and makes a statement, you found it. Check the link in the description to grab yours and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth fashion reviews. See you in the next one.